Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out, 2026 Brinkley Model Z 3420. So we have a single door here. I'm pointing it out because we have a second door that I'll show you in a second. Pass-through storage, you have your power controls there, your docking station on the other side. Here's the one door into the inside. And you'll see the second door. And then when I slide around to the back, it looks like it's a toy hauler, but it's not a toy hauler, and I'll get inside here in a moment. I do want to show you the two slides on the off-camp side. So let's get inside, and I'll show you what we're looking at on the inside. I'll show you plenty of goodness on the inside. There's the 3420 badging. And it's hot outside. It's almost 100, but it's nice and cool in here. I just looked at it a moment ago. It's 86 degrees inside. So if it was winter outside, it would feel lovely in here. So here's that second door. And as I said, it's not a toy hauler. This is a deck or patio. And you have a refrigerator, you have a kitchen area, flat screen TV, cabinets, plenty of cabinets. I should see if I turn the lighting on. So we'll head back through. So you have your center island, refrigerator, freezer, a really nice pantry. You have the famous Brinkley receptacle inside the pantry. And I always, when I see that, I think of a margarita machine. And you have your dining area, an ottoman that you can use for eating, storing. You also have your 4-position sliding desktop table, theater seating, fold-out bed, nice mirror with accent lighting behind it. You have a fireplace with a televator, and then cabinets. So we'll head upstairs. I do want to show you your fuse panel. We have storage that you can hang up jackets and whatnot, your power controls. And then as we head upstairs, I'm going to go high and then low because I don't want to be in the mirror. So we have a cabinet, very nice size cabinet, shower. Let me back out so you don't see me in the video. Very nice accents. And I'm going to go around this way because I'm going to avoid that mirror. Very nice size bed. We have underbed storage. And I will show you. So we have lighting. And I do love that lighting. It's tied in with your clothing rod. And then we have cabinet space here, and if you want it, you could hook up a washer and dryer. I was about to say stackable, but it's really not stackable. But you could put the washer on the bottom and then dryer on top. Then we have a bank of drawers with a sliding top, great place for your peer or valuables, flat screen TV, HVAC, access to the bathroom. Oh, it's gone up a degree. Now it's 87 degrees in here. And we'll head back down the hallway. So again, this is offered by Bill Thomas Camper in Wentzville, Missouri. I've got a link below for new, used, service, and parts. Any comments, questions, leave them below. We'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again for watching. I'm going to swing around and show that mirror without me in it. And we also have USB and USB-C, which is a great place to throw your electronic contrivances up there, charge them up, and then when you're headed home after a nice, wonderful weekend, how you darn. Thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.